Yoli Abaya. Away they go. Senor Elijah from the outside through Amigo Seal. My lips in the middle. Alongside big time Bonjing down on the inside. Doña Erica rushing up reporter. Alam mo na yan. And in between runners, Douglas Charm. Rounding the far turn. Senor Elijah through Amigo Seal. My lips down on the inside, and here comes 3A reporter. Alam mo na yan, running by the rail. As they race the last 500, Senor Elijah through Amigo. Seal, my lips down on the inside is alam mo na yan. As they race the last 250, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Senor Elijah through Amigo Seal, my lips in the middle. Alam mo na yan, down on the inside. And on the outside through Amigo Seal, my lips. But alam mo na yan, by some 2 lengths and finally, alam mo na yan. Second Seal, my lips close. Through Amigo Duguschan, then comes Senor Elijah.